we are expecting significant inflows as from Thursday this week. And we intend to clear all the pending balances for the month of March and before that. But we will also be disbursing on the same day the disbursement for April. Therefore, we'll be remaining with May and June. But we also want to struggle and clear significantly the amount for disbursement for May.
National Treasury Tramera, please, Matul Tikirie, Koheo Besasitu, financial year Tanadira, Nudo na financial year Adira, Rubesa Queneria Shuraga, Idesita Goshari current. Koko doge to have Besa Deka Musho, to soke to run Shora, Nudo to Tinasito Mira, na Donato Hekamweke, Agutumira, Natuna pending bills Nikemono. Netoi womo de kwena besa sharili zo kumakorea National Treasury na ntura hopu kile nyagani kuheo besa siake shiothe shakuma March, April, May and June.
Lakini hata kama hiyo pesa itafika leo tarehe ngapi? 16. Inamaanisha mshahara ule ambao tunalipa ni wa last month. Na je wa March. Ule mshahara wa mwezi ule ulipita watu watalipwa nini? Kule national government tayari wamelipwa mishahara yao. Askari wamelipwa. Workers of the national government have been paid. What about the county government? So we know there are many priorities. We know we have challenges. Lakini this idea of this habit of taking for granted county governments has to stop.